If your career is in autopilot, you are going to be stagnant, underpaid, and undervalued. And this is what is really happening with millions of mid-level professionals like you. And if you are one of them, then I want you to click on the link below and join in my next masterclass, where I will be sharing with you the strategy to build your visibility in the organization and outside the organization, how to create a differentiation about yourself so that you can achieve more in your career, as well as how to build these life skills which can help you get more income in the shortest possible time. And that is precisely what we work in this masterclass. Hi, my name is Rakesh Rana. I am India's leading mid-career performance coach. Over the last 4 years, more than 30,000 mid-level professionals like you who were stagnant, stuck, and underappreciated had joined my masterclass and learned this system about the 3-step strategies. And if you are one of them, then I want you to jump into this masterclass right away and see me live in the next masterclass. Click the link below and join my 2 hours masterclass, and I'll see you there.